Hello everyone. Mega love shout out everyone. How is everybody? Happy blessed day everyone. I miss you all guys. Shout out to all of you guys, especially to those always supporting my silent life and my simple videos, short videos. Thank you so much guys. And first of all, we thank God above all kasi okay naman na tayo dito sa Middle East. Sana tuloy-tuloy na maging okay. And first, shout out sa aking bunso, Chardingo, anak, ingat lagi. At sa aking kapatid sa Kuwait City, Juliet and Blanc. Pasensya na kayo kasi kagagaling ko ng sakit guys. Inubo ako ng inubo. Grabe ang ubo. Almost 1 month. Kaya ito nagpapainit ako dito sa init. To exercise. Ayan o, yung boses ko hindi pa magaling. Thank you guys. Thank you Michael Kiambao. Ading Coach Samuhing TV, thank you at saka mga alagad mo. Kamahalan to Yoyong, kamahalan Kamalig Mix Vlog. Thank you at saka mga alagad mo, thank you. Ading Love Travel Music, si Kuya Lauren Directo, si Kuya Nana Honey YTC. Kabsat El Sayote, shout out. 20CH in Japan, shout out, thank you friend for always supporting me also. Sino pa ba yung nakikita ko doon? Ading Talpa Kicks, thank you. Sa lahat ng hindi ko nabanggit, thank you so much kasi nasa kalsada ako, nagpapainit ako guys. Para bumalik yung parang sigla ko kasi you know guys, almost 1 month I was not okay, but I was not feeling well, I mean sorry. Medyo yung boses ko talagang hindi pa okay, pero thank you Lord at feeling better now. Sana tuloy-tuloy na. Thank you guys for to those always supporting me. Thank you so much guys. And I hope makakapasyal na rin ako sa mga live nyo sa mga darating na araw. Thank you guys. And Ading Nels TV, shout out Ading Nels TV, shout out. Kabsat ang Onyo, shout out. Saka Sisikoy, Siswang, Sisikoy, Maria Colove, shout out Sisikoy, I miss you Sisikoy. Bihira na ako magla-live kasi wala na yung mauno ko na nauna na. Shout out Sisikoy. At saka lahat ng mga aking Sisikoy, shout out sa inyong lahat. Thank you at ako'y mag-exercise na. Thank you guys.